I've really fallen in love with this kind of light cut makeup recently, and it just changes. It's very expensive and transparent, and I think it's really suitable for our endorsement. You don't need a big knife. The change of the axe can make the facial features very atmospheric and stretched. If you draw today, let's try it together. It has just been done before and after makeup. Apply a layer. The face sheets, so we superimpose the lotion a little bit. Okay, I feel this. Makeup flowers still test the base makeup because they need to take into account the kind of natural and clear expensive. It's shiny, so I want to use this orchid directly for the base makeup flower. Kujing Pure Liquid Foundation Really Makeup. After wearing it for a few years, I have loved it for a few years. It is really the top 10 expensive foundation makeup ceilings in my mind. It's a liquid, it's filamentous, it's really powdery. It's exquisite. Take a closer look. Down. Take a look at his malleability, it's really amazing, and I'm not at all at the degree of obedience on his face. If you are surprised, it feels like a fusion. If it enters the skin, you don't have to worry about any card powder or card pattern at all. Circle and light. Sister, let me take a look, this is it. The logo gloss is really beautiful, like. His light sensation from the bottom layer of the skin will make this part of our face special. Full but refreshing. Only the highlight point, this translucent feeling is really beautiful. And did I apply a very thin one today? Take a look. The next small flaws will not affect it. Although it contains a full skin nourishing essence, your makeup is nourishing your skin at the same time, and it will not be dark at all. Sink. In the full face. It looks like a thin film of light from any angle. The texture of the skin is really beautiful, and isn't it hot in summer recently? If I use it, it will be so expensive. The gas luster can last for a long time, keep warm, wear makeup all day, and the skin is hydrated, that's all. Simple upper and lower base makeup feels that the whole person looks much better. We can highlight it now, or the name is on the hand powder. If we dip it in a more expensive makeup like this, we will brighten it up in a small area. Be precise and make our faces a little fuller, the corners of the mouth here. Let's bring it up. Take a look. I did a great chiaroscuro before I got a facelift. Noble makeup, fluffy forehead should also be fuller and slightly brightened. Take a look at the bridge of your nose and take a look at this one today. This is the naked blush chosen. The color of the apricot is not. It's too eye-catching because today this makeup is mainly a base makeup, which is thin and full everywhere. Pay a little attention to the blush. Scope. Face. On the side of this facelift, we will hit it up, but it will be padded open later, and it feels like the face is being lifted up. I want to be more atmospheric as a whole, so I can draw a little pointy on the nose. Use a brush to smudge it from top to top and bring it to the hairline. Don't leave this part blank like I'm doing now. If it is inside, you should use the puff twice from the bottom to smudge it and pat it open. We are lighter in the more detailed part of the nose. If you want to set your makeup, let's only set the eyebrows first. Good nose here. You can also come to press the luster of the whole country. It is definitely the forehead that you want to keep. You can directly skin a little beauty color, and you can also trim it. I'll use one first to fix the eyebrows. A dark brown, let's fill that gap. On this basis, let's add another hair flow. For eye makeup, the color is slightly lighter. The low saturation is mainly to emphasize the structure, and it can first choose a grid to hit the light color and eye skin. Color. It's a little swollen with my eyes, so I went with a dark brown, slightly darker, double eyelids in the end of my eyes. If there is any eyelash, we will also trace it with a dark brown pattern. Use a brush of a little thickness to trace. This aegyo style is beige to brighten the eyeliner in the middle of this aegyo style. This step still cannot be omitted. I still chose a black one, and I chose more eyes. Paste an eyelash under a little arc, and then pay attention to drawing a close-fitting line when you paste it. Your eye shape will also be smoother. Let's draw it with black eyeshadow. Eyeliner, you can take care of it directly first. Shield pull out. In this case, I'll use brown again. Give them a colored glue pen to trace us. This lower eyelash is still one step black. Eye. Liquid pen. Describe it as a whole, and finally we stack a little bit of light silver in the middle of our eyelids, our eyes. Here can come a little shit. And howled a testicle. So I used a secondary deepening and found that this round head brush is very easy to use. Lip shape to grind as lipstick or use it first. One nude overlay, one nude. A little lip glaze and a darker color are superimposed on the inside. It will look a little better.